Hello class 5, welcome back to your social studies class. How are you all? I just hope you all are doing very good. So let's start with lesson number 1 only. The exercises I gave you homework. Uh, First question is tick the correct option. So we will check the answers, okay? So let's start from question number 1. Tick the correct option. Number A. Hominids walked on two legs and one hand, all fours, two legs and two hands. Now, hominids, I told you, they walked on all fours. Okay, all fours. F-O-U-R-S. Then number B is copper tools first appeared in which age? Mesolithic age, Chalcolithic age, Bronze age or Neolithic age? So the copper tools were first appeared in Chalcolithic age. That is why it is named as Chalcolithic age. Number C is the Stone Age began. Number 1, when people could stand erect, when people could make basic stone tools, when people could light fire, and when people started making cave paintings. So the answer is when people could make basic stone tools. When people could make basic stone tools. Basic stone tools. Then number D is carbon dating. Carbon dating, it is a technique of what? Knowing the age of an old object, counting branches of a tree, chiseling stones, or making red and black slipware. So carbon dating is the technique of knowing the age of an old object. To know the age of an old object, this technique is used. Knowing the age of an old object. Then how old the object is, to know this, to know the age of that object, carbon dating is used. Number 5 is earliest stone age, people killed small animals with. In the earliest stone age, people kill small animals with what? Sticks, boulders, bare hands and animal bones. Yes, bare hands. Bare means empty hands without any tools and weapons. Bare hands. Now, second question is fill in the blanks. So, the first question is the theory that humans evolved from the apes was first put forward by Charles Darwin. Charles Darwin. Number B. The Stone Age ends with the first use of bronze. Number C. The Dash Age begins with the introduction of agriculture. Which age begins with the introduction of agriculture? The Neolithic age. The Neolithic age is already written. Then comes the fourth one. Invention of Dash is the most noteworthy milestone in the evolution of humans. Invention of wheel. Now number 5th is the period without any written record is called which period? Is called prehistory. When written records were not formed, that period is called prehistory. Then comes question number 3rd, that is write true or false. Question number 3rd, write true or false. So the first question is Iron was discovered during the Chalcolithic age. During the Chalcolithic age, iron was discovered. Is it true or false? So, iron was discovered in Chalcolithic age. It is true. So, first answer is true. Number B is long arms helped early apes in swinging from branch to branch. Yes, long arms helped the apes to swing from one branch to another branch. It is also true. The Neolithic age came before the Mesolithic age. Neolithic age comes first, then Mesolithic age comes, or Mesolithic age comes, then after Neolithic age comes. Yes, first Mesolithic age comes, then comes Neolithic. So this is false. Number D is the oldest tool making technique is called Oldo. Oldo one. Yes, the oldest technique of tool making is called Oldo one. So it is also true. Number E. Paleolithic age was the longest stone age period. Yes, Paleolithic age was the longest stone age period. This is true. Now coming next to the fourth question. Question number 4. Match the column. Match the column. Again, number A is black slip on inner surface. Black slip on inner surface is pottery before agriculture? No. Chalcolithic pottery? Yes. In Chalcolithic pottery, we can see the black slip on inner surface and the which one slip? Black and red slip. Red slip on the outer surface. Okay. So the first answer is Chalcolithic pottery. Chalcolithic pottery. Number B is harvesting. Harvesting pottery after agriculture? No. Chalcolithic pottery done. Stone sickles. Yes, harvesting was done with stone sickles. Stone sickles. Number C, Japan. Japan pottery before agriculture. Yes, in Japan pottery was done before agriculture. Pottery before agriculture. Number D, Onge and Jarava. Onge and Jarava is Madhya Pradesh or Stone Age tribes. Yes, it is Stone Age tribes. Stone Age tribes. Then number last is E, Bhimbetka. Where is Bhimbetka? It is in Madhya Pradesh. So, these were the exercises of lesson number 1, which was your homework in the previous video. So, those who have not done and those who have done wrong, so correct it and send the homework through mail. Okay. Now, we will start our new lesson, lesson number 2. Now, let's start lesson number 2, the Iron Age. Now, the Iron Age came after the Stone Age and the Bronze Age. Now, after the Bronze Age and the Stone Age, this Iron Age came. Okay. Now, from the very beginning of the Iron Age, in the very beginning of the Iron Age, there was increase in the growth of civilization. Okay. Now, the implements made of iron, means tools and weapons, those were made of iron. They were much stronger and usable than. Sorry, usable. It's not usual, it's usable. So the implements, the tools and weapons made of iron was much stronger and much usable than bronze. Okay, those made of bronze. Comparatively, iron was stronger and usable. And during this period only, during this Iron Age, the civilization, it was flourished in Greece, Turkey is Asia Minor, Italy and ancient India. Now, with the end of the Iron Age, when the Iron Age was about to end, the prehistoric era also came to its final stages. Now this prehistoric era was it also came to its final stages with the end of the Iron Age. Now the period of history began as people were developing. Now it was the end of the prehistoric times, means the beginning of history. Now the beginning of history, period of history, it began as people were developing from some forms of writing. Now in the writing was developed in the history. So, and it was developed on clay and parchments. Okay, on clay and parchments it was developed. Now parchments mean the skin of sheep or goat. In the past it was used, the skin of goats and sheep were used to write. Okay, earlier there were no paper, no notebooks were there, so they used to write on the skin of these animals. And now the and on clay tablets also. Now the Iron Age is the most technologically advanced of all ancient ages. Among all the ancient ages, the Iron Age is what most technically advanced. Now evidences of this metal being used as early as 3000 BCE have been found in some places. Now in some places evidence of this metal was found that in those places this metal was used as early as 3000 BCE. Now for example, one of the earliest daggers with an iron blade was found in a Hattic tomb in Anatolia. In Anatolia, there were one of the earliest dagger was found with an iron blade in a Hattic tomb. Now, but its widespread use started only between 1200 and 1000 BCE. Between 1200 and 1000 BCE, it widespread used. Okay, started. Now, iron was mostly used for making weapons and implements. I told you tools and weapons. For making tools and weapons, iron was used, as it was, I told you, much stronger and reliable metal. Okay, hammering of iron piece. If iron piece was hammered, it gives us a required shape, and this process is called smithing. To hammer a piece of metal to give a proper shape, to give a required shape, is called smithing. Now, so this was all about iron. Now iron was much harder than bronze and could be made into finer and sharper objects, and it required smelting, heating, hammering to make tools and implements. Then impact of the Iron Age. What was the impact of the Iron Age? Now impact of the Iron Age we will study in the next video. In this video you have to do in this homework you have to do the exercises which I will be giving to you, and a few definitions I will be giving to you, and question answers which you have to search from the book, and from the videos only you have to write the answers. Okay, and send your mails regularly on time, because many of the students are not sending their homeworks on time and they will not get the marks for that. So be very careful and be very punctual for your homework. This much for today. Thank you.